What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can join the Quotex affiliate program and get your affiliate link for the Quotex platform. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to join the Quotex platform yourself, you can use my affiliate link from the description below, and that way you can save up on some trading fees. And now to sign up for the Quotex affiliate program, you would just need to type in that in your search bar and just click on the link that says quotexpartner.com. Now, once you're here, just go ahead and click on Try Now. And to create an account, you would need to click on Sign Up right here. Now, from there, you can just input your email and password right here. So the email that you want to be associated with your affiliate account, and the password as well. Now, once you inputted that, you can click on I agree to terms and conditions and just click sign up. And there we go. In just a few moments, you created your Quotex affiliate account. Now, to get your affiliate or referral link for Quotex, you would just need to click on links right here. And you can copy some of these pre-made links, but you can also create a new link by clicking on create link right here. Then just select the page to which the link will be leading to and select the nature of the link. So it can either be revenue sharing or turnover sharing. Once you selected the link specifications, you can just go ahead and tap on save. And here you have a new link that we just created. So essentially guys, that's how you can create an affiliate account for the Quotex platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.